Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So I just received the Camon 40 Pro and I'm going to do unboxing with you. In this video, I will do unboxing with you. I will tell you how I got the phone and I will tell you the challenges that I went through before I got this phone. I'll also share the price in Chinese currency with you, and also share with you if I convert the price into my currency, how much I paid for that. I'll also share with you the price of that phone on the markets compared to when you are shipping from China. I will also share with you the quality and everything about the phone. So this is the unboxing video. So let's unbox this together. But before you would get your phone or even buy from the supplier will let you know that this phone is original or this phone is a copy of it. So when I was buying this phone, I knew that it was copy and it was at a very low price, so I didn't care if it was copy. All I just wanted, or all I needed this phone for, was just to make some call WhatsApp. For the camera quality, we will check it in this video if it is actually good. Yes, so this is how I got this phone. So before you buy it, as I said earlier, the supplier will let you know, and this is a screenshot of what the supplier told me that it's copy. Now we've unboxed this package and just look at it. So well packaged. For me, I love China because they package everything very well. Now I've unboxed them, finished, and I'm going to do the unboxing right here with you all. So let's first cut them off. This is it. So this is the phone. Before you would doubt me, this is the phone, and you can see the reading from here. The camera isn't focusing well. Yes. So this is the phone right here. Let's unbox it. So I'm removing the rubber from it. As you can see, that's the rubber right here. Tell me why importation is no good. Importation is actually one of the best things that has happened to me, to be frank with you. It's one of the best things. So I have this here 512 gigabyte and 16 gigabyte RAM, and that's it. Camon 40 Pro. Camon, and that's it. Camon 40 Pro right here. The color, she covered the color, because if you check here, let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. I'm happy. Okay, I'm so happy. So before I open the phone, let's go into the price of this. So this is the price of the phone on the screen, and you get this phone at this amount on the market. There was some challenges I went through before getting this phone. So the only challenge that I had with this shipment of this phone is that the shipping company, The shipping company, they did me bad. They actually did me bad. They gave me the shipping fee of 16 Ghana cedis on my phone because they charge per the CBM. They charge per the boss, the measure, the size of the boss. But when they realized that it was phone, they now said it's 100 cedis. And I was like, you already gave me this amount that I'm going to pay. So why is it now you are changing the shipping fee for me to pay a different one? I was very pained. I even wanted to take this case to the police station, but my dad told me to stop and he sent me money so that I can give it to them. But I'm still paying even while I'm talking right now, because why would you not tell me that this and this is what you are going to do, this and this is what you are going to pay before you get your items? But no, instead they, I don't know, because if there is something like that, then they would have told me before my items would arrive. But this, they just gave me this 100 cities to pay, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it, to be frank. I didn't like it. But apart from that, I'm so happy that I've gotten the phone right here with me now. Let's open it, right? Yeah, let's open it. This is the phone right here with me. Right here with me. Yeah, so this is the phone. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. Don't tell me this is not beautiful. This is so nice. This is really nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Guys, so this is the phone. Yes. And can you believe that the phone that I'm using to shoot this video is made in China? I'm currently using Camon 20 Pro. I'm currently using 20 Pro right now to shoot this video, and the quality is very good. You can't tell me, you can't tell me that China phones are fake, because the one I'm using, it's a top notch. All my videos, all my pictures, this phone, it has 256 gigabytes and I think 8 gigabytes RAM. Yes, that's what this phone is having, and the quality is very good. Because tell me how you've not been given the licenses to work in the name of Tecno and you produce phones. So don't tell me that China phones are fake. Like, they are really original, and this is the phone that I got. It is so goddamn beautiful. It is really beautiful. It is really beautiful. This phone that I'm using, I bought it 2,500. It could have bought three at the same time. Yeah, and this is the box that comes with it. hmm Put this here. So a brand new charger. You can see the rubber here on the charger, and there is a cable. I think this is type C cables, and earpiece as well. And this is the phone case. Oops. Plus screen protector as well. Do you know what I love about China? What I love about China is that anytime that they are selling something, they make sure to add some accessories to it, and that will make you buy it. This one comes with a case, a protector as well. So that's the protector here, charger, earpiece, oops, earpiece, and I think manual, and a manual as well. For the protector, I think someone will do it for me. I can't do it. Yes, let me put this here. So this is the case of my, well, the phone is not mine. My sister ordered it, my kid sister ordered it, and actually I asked permission from her before unboxing it, because it's not mine. This is so beautiful. What? The cover. So there is a phone case, and this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'll make another video to check the system, the display, the storage, the camera quality as well. So please watch out for that video. Go and check it on my channel. You get how the quality is, because it's so gorgeous. This is so damn gorgeous. Yes, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so now let me pack everything right here, and yeah, that's all. So if you want to know how to import from China, why, what is holding you back from taking my course? You will know how to do it. And do you know what? After teaching you, I'm not going to leave you alone. I'm going to guide you. You can ask me any question, any day, anytime, because I'm going to mentor you for 3 good months. 3 good months. I'm not going to leave you alone after the training. The training will take 2 weeks. Yes, the training will take 2 weeks. So if you want to know how to import from China, you need guidelines and everything, how to turn it into business. I've even reduced the price. It was 200 Ghana Cedis, but some people reach out to me that they don't actually have money. So I reduced it to 200 Cedis. So do well to take this course. It doesn't matter where you are. If you are in Ghana and Nigeria especially, then please do well to take this course, and you can order anything. Anything. Yeah, my name is Ghaneva, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll make another video talking about the quality, the storage, the phone screen, the settings, and everything. So do well to watch out as well. And please do well to subscribe to the channel. Share this channel with your friends, your family, to also subscribe to the channel. And please do well to support me by liking this video as well. Thank you for watching this video. I love you for that. Yes, I'll see you in another video. Until then, please stay very focused. If you want to go into any business, just click the link in my description or the comment section to join the training. Bye.